Before getting Invisalign, my teeth were, particularly my bottom teeth, were pretty crooked. I did not have braces as a child, and so I have always been self-conscious about it, and I found myself more and more covering up my mouth when I smiled because I didn't want anybody to see my teeth. And I realized that that's not really the way I want to spend my life. And at the same time, Dr. Nair had been talking to me about doing Invisalign because she felt that not only would it make me feel more confident and happier in my smile, but it would also be good for my dental health because I grind my teeth, and this was something that would help correct my bite and make that whole thing kind of less of a problem. So it was not just for appearances, it was also for the dental health. The price was good, and it's just been a process that's been going on for a little over a year now, I think. We started out, with the first go-round of 8 or so months of Invisalign trays, and I was getting to the end of that thinking, okay, I'm about to be done, but I could also still see that there were some things that weren't absolutely the way we both wanted them to be, and there was probably going to be a little bit more to go. And so she reassessed where I was and brought in another round of treatment. And since that time, I think we're actually on my third round of additional treatment, just to really kind of fine-tune things, which I think is also, given the fact that I paid for it once and then that was it. The fact that she's continued to work on fine-tuning and let's do this and let's try that, all without me having to pay anything additional, I think it's just fantastic. And it's also just that she really cares about, making sure that it's as good as she can get it. She did on the last go-round come in to me and say, look, I know it's been a while that we've been working on this, and there's this one tooth, and it seems to be a little stubborn, and I'm going to just step out of the room for a minute, and you think about whether or not you want to try again, because we'll go through one more round of this and see if we can get it to work, if you want to. And then she came back in, and we both agreed that, yeah, well, we're going to keep trying. I appreciate that so much about her, that she may be a little bit of a perfectionist, but it's in the nicest of ways. And it's really, and we're a team working on this together. And, what do I want to do? Not just what does she want to do?